Hey there. Thanks for stopping by and checking out our course snippet taken from the Web Development Masterclass. In our course, we teach the full web development lifecycle, including all the latest web technologies and cloud hosting frameworks. For full course details and registration, please visit the link down below in the info section.
In the previous lecture, we explored adding links that take you to different web pages. Now we're going to work with anchor tags. Anchor tags allow us to link to a specific area of content on our existing page. Let's take a look at an example. On this page, you'll notice we have a table of contents at the top of the page that lists 5 articles. Article 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The idea is to have these items linked to their corresponding article on the same page. So if I click on Article 3, for example, you'll notice that the page navigates to the beginning of the 3rd article in our content area. And the same goes for Article 4, and so on and so forth. In order to make this work, we need to set up an anchor that will instruct a text link on the position of the article that corresponds to the link. We've included a file called anchors.html in the downloads folder corresponding to this lecture. You'll need to open this file in your text editor in order to follow along with this tutorial. So here we have the source code for the file. And in order to make this work, we'll have to go ahead and add a few anchors on all 5 article headings. To add the anchor, locate the article heading and insert the following code. You'll notice that we're using the A tag with an ID attribute. Later on in this tutorial, we're going to link to each one of these anchors from our table of contents. So once you've inserted your first named anchor, you'll need to insert the others in front of the other article headings. So just copy this block of code and paste it in front of each article heading. Remember to make sure you change the number of the article so it corresponds to the correct article heading. Now that we've inserted the named anchors, we'll need to link to them from our table of contents. So let's scroll up to the table of contents and add the following code around each article heading. You'll notice we're using the A tags with the href attribute. One difference is that we have a number sign in front of the link. The number sign instructs the browser not to divert the user to a new web page when the link is clicked. When the number sign is followed by an anchor name, the page will notice search for the anchor name on the existing page. It will then retrieve the content that is defined by the anchor position. So again, let's copy this block of code and create our links for the additional article headings. Once again, remember to change the number so it corresponds to the correct article heading. So once you've added all your links, save the file and preview the page in your web browser to make sure that everything works. So now we can see that each item in the table of contents does have a link attached to it, and let's just confirm that it does work. So Article 1, Article 2, Article 3, 4, and 5.